How to fix DoorDash app won't let me place order. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix the DoorDash application not letting you place order, follow this quick and easy step. So firstly, what you can do is you can scroll down your notification panel, then check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can change into a better network connection, a cellular data, or an airplane mode. After that, you can try again by launching your DoorDash. If the problem still exists, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. In that case, you can press and hold onto your application and head on to App Info. From here, tap on the Force Up button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. This will help to fix any of the technical bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Lastly, but not the least, you can tap open your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. In the search bar, you need to search for your DoorDash app. Make sure that it is up to date. If there is any of the available update, make sure to tap on the update button. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.